Ingredients: onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, bay leaves, magic syrup, peppercorn, salt, cup of water, and chicken thigh. Start off by sauteing the onions and the garlic. After sauteing for several minutes, you can add on the chicken. Continue stirring it because we don't want a burnt chicken. Now you can add on the ginger, bay leaves, the peppercorn, as well as the salt. Add the last ingredient, which is the tomatoes. Continue stirring it until the tomatoes is softened. Afterwards, you can add the cup of water and cover it up. After simmering for a few minutes, you can put on the magic syrup just to add some flavor. Now at this point, let's just wait until it reduces. As you can see guys, it's already reducing. Just stir a bit more. There you have it guys. Quick and easy and definitely delicious KINAMATISANG manok or chicken sauteed tomatoes.
And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment down below, share, subscribe, and definitely hit the notification bell for more delicious dish to come. Peace out.